trail. Oh, it's beautiful through here. Look at it. But make sure we don't smoke. Bush architecture. Very clever. It's called Ngongotaha, isn't it? The Ngongotaha NZMCA camp. Yeah. We just walked along on the field. There's Rotorua Lake. Long way, dear. Get it right. Oh, there we go. And it's Jesse Martin Park. Not allowed any dogs because I presume kids play sport on it, hey? Okay. NZMCA. All of us. Oh, what we call. And it goes down to different levels. Look how busy this level is. Oh, you can see from that sun. Crazy busy. And look, 2 more levels. Man, huh? It's alright though. That level and then down to that level. Okay, this way. Oh, that's so bright, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. It's lovely, all got the flowers. Where'd you go? Look at that. Oh, here we are. What is that? Sports field? Huh. School. Okay. Look at that. Like I'm back at work. Unloading pallets. 6 pallets. Oh, these lovely flowers. Very neat. I think they'll do a good job. Skate park. It's huge. How cute, Ngongotaha, a little playground. That's sweet. Plenty of traffic. It's busy. What's the name of the river? Do we know? Oh, look at that. That's what it is. Ngongotaha Stream. There you go. What's this? Plug? The opening of the Ngongotaha Stream walkway. Hey? Not doing it with my no shoes on. Go put my shoes on later. Lovely, isn't it? They've done a good job with the flowers, the begonias. Oh look, another little area. Bye-bye. It's one of these. Isn't that lovely? Ground cover. Where does this go? Might be something over there. I'll have a look at this. Over here. Sure. So what about that? Now that's exciting. Now this specimen of a tawhairaunui or red beech tree came from an area 15 kilometres north of Ngongotaha. Bullocks hauled the logs out back in the 1920s and 30s, and then they were railed to the Ngongotaha mill at a rate of 30 per day. Trail. Oh, Bobby. Where'd you go, Bobby? Did you come here, Robert? Don't know. But she didn't come here. Home kill services. No, are you kidding me? Northdale Dairy. Bush architecture. Very clever. Oh, it's Ngongotaha. Very nice. That's Ngongotaha. 1948. Huh. Lovely. this railway line. It's not being used. Give way to the railway line. I love it. Oh, it's beautiful through here. Look at it. But make sure we don't smoke. We wouldn't anyway. Oh no. So it's for walking. Shouldn't have brought our bikes. This is lovely. It's not a biking track. No. And in the bikes. Or is this just a swimming hole? The name of Ngongotaha comes from Mount Ngongotaha, which rises above Rotorua city. The name is linked to the explorer Ihinga, who was offered a drink by a woman at the top of the mountain. Ngongo means to drink, and taha means calabash or water container, like a gourd. Came back here, Beach. Did a loop. Swimming hole. Ngongotaha stream is the largest tributary into Lake Rotorua, and this stream holds a number of fish during spawning season. Soft sand. It's cool.